Hi, hello. I'm gonna show you how to make a cool vocal chop thing like I did in speed style. Let's go.
Here we go.
Okay, so I have to hope that like my microphone and me and like desktop audio are enough so that you can hear it, but it still works. Anyways, ignore all the missing files. I was switching computers while I made this, and I'm on a completely different computer, so yeah. This is how you make cool vocal chops, like Stella B or something. Like this. Wait. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really easy. So you're gonna want to take your thing. You want to click the magnet up here on FL, and you want to click 1/2 step. Cool. So what's going on here is I literally just chopped up little bits of the Layla Big Scream sample. I'll play the whole thing out loud for you right now. This is all it is. Wait, let me mute everything else. Yeah, that's all that is. And all I did was wait, I have to do these because it's gonna fuck up. Okay, all I did here was just chopped it up really fast. So what you do is you chop it up like that. Yeah. Chop up your audio. Get your slicer thing. Chop like that. You have that. Boom. It takes up 3 bars right here. These three. You're gonna leave a space in between all of those, and then you wanna vary. So you wanna do like 1 bar right here, and then whenever it's like the 1 bar thing, it goes like 1 2 like that, like that. And you're gonna want to have like variety between them, and it does this cool effect. And then you just follow your ear with like the pattern, and yeah, you get this. You get this. And then I like to throw a Hoover over it, and it makes this sound. And that's how you do the cool Niku vocal chop, or Stella B vocal chop, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that was really easy. Yeah. Whee!